Alright, this is the elevator at an apartment building in Baltimore. Check this out. We got an old General bottom drive traction. You can hear, I don't know if you can hear it right on the camera, but the controller was replaced and I believe the motor was too. It might have been manual at some point, but I think that's just for inching. Let's take it down to the basement. Here we go. Okay, so if that was for inching, it doesn't work anymore. It's a beautiful plate. It's in better shape than the panel. It's very oxidized. Because it's on a new controller, the buttons or the lights will light up every time you push the button. 1,500 pound capacity. Looks like that's a thing to hold the door open. General elevator. This gate used to be automatic, but the motor doesn't work anymore, or it was turned off. Has added fire service. That pushes in very far. The controller was replaced in 2000. Certificate. Looks like that's supposed to match the panel. I don't know if it's a reproduction. The oxidization is very similar. Let's get a look at it. The light fixture is not original. Please be mindful of the walls. That's very old. That's like from the 60s. That receptacle. There's an emergency light. No indicator. Let's take it back down to the basement. Interlock is loud. Light switch. Yeah, I'm thinking that motor's replaced. And because the controller is new, we can send it to a floor. And there it goes. It slows down pretty quickly, but there it goes. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.